One of the problems that we have with COVID generally is you can be carrying the virus and not expressing any symptoms. And in that situation, you wouldn't go and get a positive test. You wouldn't go get a test and find that you're positive, and you wouldn't isolate, but you're still shedding the virus. And if you're shedding the virus, you can still infect other people. So the beauty of this technique is that we can detect people who are in that situation. They don't know they've got the virus, but they're still shedding it. We can still find it in the wastewater, and we can find it in advance of there being any positive tests in the catchment.